Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy SpaceX stock on eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right here to eToro.com, and from here we can get started. You can also use it on your mobile phone. So if you want, you can just go ahead and download eToro on your mobile device from the App Store and get started with creating an account if you do not already have one. Because to be able to buy stocks using eToro, we are going to need to create an account. An account is going to appear right here in the upper right corner. So you're going to have the login button to log in if you already have an account. If you do not already have one, just go and create one. So once you're logged in, we can get started. We are going to go ahead and be able to access the markets, and here in the upper right corner we are going to have the search button. Using the search button, we can go ahead and search for SpaceX. So let's go ahead and search for SpaceX right here and click enter. If you're a mobile phone, just go ahead and do the same, and it's going to show us all the SpaceX instruments we have right here, and we can go and take a look at this one right here. This is the one you want to get trading with. This is SpaceX that you can get started buying. So this is the Space Exploration Technologies Corp, and this is what you want to take a look at. So from here you can get started clicking the trade button. That's going to enable you to buy stocks, sell them, do whatever you want. You can go and take a look at the charts right here and so on. It's all going to be available right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.